substitution, healing my heart's confusion. They're looking for a substitution. There ain't no one to replace you.